Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about the JavaScript array destructuring. So as you know, array destructuring has been introduced in the ES6, or we can say ECMAScript 6, or we can also say it JavaScript 2015 version. So this is the basic array you can see here, and here I am going to destructure it. So the basic thing to destructure is to just use like this const, and let me put it A, B and C, and then here let me put it numbers, and I can print it or log console.log A, B and C. Okay, so once I will save it and go to the browser and I will hit the refresh button, then you can see here 1 2 3 has been printed in the log, right? Okay, so you can see only 3 has been, means 1 2 3 has been printed because we are here destructuring the only first three elements. So suppose I do not want to print B, so what I can do, I can just remove the B, and let me comment it from here as well. So because B does not exist here, so I have commented the B, and yes, that's it. Let me go ahead and refresh it, and here you can see 1 and 3 is only coming. Okay, and suppose if I allow here B, then it will show error like B is undefined. So you can see B is not defined. So okay, and suppose I want to get the rest of thing 4 5 and 6, so we can also get that, like put here 3 dot, and let me put it as a name rest, and let me put it as rest, and I will put it here in the last, and let me go ahead and refresh the page, and yes, you can see here 1 3 and 4 5 6 is printed as another array. Okay, so this is the basic restructuring of array which we generally use. So let me go ahead in some advance. So to do that, let me go ahead here. This is the Mozilla documentation, developer documentation, and here let's go to the next, and here you can see this is going to be the, so this is going to be the this is the array assignment separate from the declaration. You can see here this is separated by comma. This is a string. Let me try this as well. So let me put it here at place of numbers. I am going to put here 1 2 3 and 4 5 and 6, and let me save it and go ahead in the browser and run this. So you can see it is again working as expected. So restructuring is also working on the string as well as numbers. Okay, and next thing is the default value. So here you can see we can also assign the default value to the restructuring variables. So suppose I am here and I want to assign, because B, and I want to here assign B as 2. Okay, and yes, and let me go ahead in the yes. So what it will do right now, it will start displaying 2. Okay, suppose I have, let me first run it. Okay, and let me run it. So you can see 1 2 3 and 3 coming separately as expected, but suppose I don't have anything here, like maybe let it here 2, let me remove the rest here. Okay, so suppose I have passed here as 3 and it is as 2. Okay, and here I have only one element in my array. Then what it will do, you can see here. Okay, it is showing rest is not defined. Okay, let me comment it out. Okay, and let me run this. So you can see here it is printing as expected, because 1 is passing from this numbers array, but here in restructuring there is not any default value of a, so a is coming from 1, and if still I put here one default value, then still it will come 1, because 1 is coming from this and it replaces this value. This is a default value, and as you know there is not any second value in this numbers array, that's why it is printing 2 and 3 here. Okay, so this is the default destructuring of array. Okay, and now let's move to next, and next thing is swapping of variables. So you can see two variables value can be swapped in one destructuring expression. So what we can do here, you can see, so you can see it is replacing the value of a and b, or from b to a. So we can try it. So let me just go ahead with this. Okay, and here you can see there are two values here, let a and b, and let me tell you that let is also introduced in ES5, sorry not ES5, ES6, let const. Okay, so here it is let a1 and 2, and here it is swapping from a to b and b to a. So let me print here a and b. So this is a and this is going to be b. So as expected a should be 1, b should be 3, but after swapping it will be a will be 3 and b will be 1. So let me go ahead in the browser here and let me refresh. So you can see first it is printing 3 and then 1, and then so the first thing is printing a, that means value of a has been changed to 3 and value of b has been changed from 3 to 1. Okay, that's why it is printing 3 and 1 here. So this is the simple example of swapping, and let me go ahead here another example, and which is coming like this. It is an array, it is having 1 2 3, and here it is changing the position of array, means in array of element 2 it is changing with a and a with 2. So let me do it again. So how we can do that? So let me first copy this. Okay, so it is const type array, and here it is 1 2 3, and here what it is doing, you can see it is like array of 2, and this is okay. I cannot use here a or b, here I need to use this value. Okay, and again same here. Okay, so inside 2 and 3 let's replace it, and here I am replacing from 2 to 3. So I am going to put inside 2 I will put 1, and inside 3 I will put 2. Okay, and now here I will print arr array. Okay, so now let me go ahead and refresh this, and here you can see 1 2 2 and 3. That means here the array length is 4. Okay, so what it is doing here, it is replacing 2 array of element 2 with 1. That means this is 0 position, this is 1 position, and this is second position. That means at the place of 3 it will put 1. That means at the place of 3 it should be 1. Okay, and inside 3 place does not exist here, so it will add a new element here, and at the place of 3 it will put place of 1. That means 3 means at the place of 4th position it will insert a 3, and at the place of 3 it will put here 1. So let me go ahead and let me check. So 0 is 1 and 2 will be same at the same position, and at place of 3 it is replacing by 1. That means 0 is 1 and 1 is 2. That means at the 3rd position it will be 2. Okay, that's why it is 2. And at the 4th position which does not exist here, so it will add the new value, and at the 4th position it will add the 2nd position. That means 3 will be at the 4th. So that's why it is coming at this position. So this was the swapping of array. So that's all guys in this video. I hope you liked the video, and so thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.